Good morning, students. Welcome to today's maths class. So we have been discussing about chapter 14 fractions. Our next topic is multiplication and division. So exercise 14D, first question, simplify. In that first one, 3 by 7 into 2 by 5. How to multiply two fractions? It's very simple. In order to find in order to multiply two fractions, just find the product of numerator divided by product of denominators. Okay, numerators you can multiply and denominators also you can multiply. So here the product will be 3 into 2 by 7 into 5. That is product of numerator by product of denominator. 3 into 2 it is 6. By 7 into 5 it is 35. So 6 by 35 will be the answer. Okay. Second one, 4 by 9 into 3 by 5. So product of numerators by product of denominator. You will get 4 into 3 by 9 into 5. Now here 3 and 9, you can reduce that. You can divide both by 3. Okay, 3 divided by 3, 1. 9 divided by 3, 3. What you will get? 4 into 1, 4 by 3 into 5, 15. 4 by 15. Now third one, 5 by 12 into 8. So here simply 8 means it is 8 by 1. Okay, simply 8. Any number we can write it as with the denominator 1. Any integer. Okay, so 8 we can write it as 8 by 1. Now finding their product. Product of numerator 5 into 8 by product of denominator 12 into 1. So 8 and 12 will go in 4. 4 into 2, 8, 4 into 3, 12. Now 5 into 2, 10 by 3 into 1, 3. 10 by 3. We can convert this to mixed fraction. This is improper fraction. So 10 on dividing by 3, you will get a quotient 3 and remainder 1. So on converting this to mixed fraction, what you will get it as, first write the quotient, that is 3. Then remainder by divisor, 1 by 3. 3, 1 by 3. Okay. Now fourth one, 7 by 6 of 3 by 14. 7 by 6 of 3 by 14. This means you have to find 7 by 6 into 3 by 14. Okay, of come means it is actually multiplication. So 7 by 6 into 3 by 14. Product of numerator 7 into 3 by product of denominator 6 into 14. Now here 7 and 14 will go in 7. Here 1, here 2. And 3 and 6 will go in 3. So 1 here and 2 here. 1 into 1, 1 by 2 into 2, 4. 1 by 4 will be the answer. Now fifth one, 3 by 8 into 3, 6 by 7. So the fractions are given in mixed form. You can convert that to improper first. 3 by 8. 8 into 3, 24. 24 plus 3, 27 by 8 into 3, 6 by 7 will be 7 into 3, 21. 21 plus 6, 27 by 7. Okay. Now how can you multiply? Product of numerator 27 into 27 by product of denominator 8 into 7. Okay. Now this 27 into 27, what you will get? 729 divided by 8 into 7, it is 56. So 729 by 56. Now this is an improper fraction, so you can divide. On dividing you will get quotient 13 and remainder 1. Converting this to mixed fraction, what you will get? First write the quotient, that is 13. Then remainder by divisor. 13, 1 by 56. Sixth question, 1 by 2 of 1 by 3 into 3 by 4. So off means it is multiplication only. You have to find 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 into 3 by 4. Now it is multiplication of 3 fractions. So product of numerator by product of denominator. Okay. 1 into 1 into 3 by 2 into 3 into 4. This 3 and 3 we can cancel. It will be 1. 1 into 1 into 1 it is 1 by 2 into 1 into 4 you will get 8. 1 by 8 will be the answer. In that 7th one, 3 by 7 into 5 by 9 into 4 1 by 5. So first convert this 4 1 by 5 to improper fraction. 3 by 7 into 5 by 9 into 5 into 4 20, 20 plus 1 21 by 5. In order to multiply 3 fractions, you can take the product of numerator by product of denominator. So 3 into 5 into 21 divided by 7 into 9 into 5. Okay, now this 3 and 9 will go in 3. 1 here 3. 5 we can cancel, it will be 1. 21 and 7 you can cancel, it will be 3 here and 1 here. This 3 and this 3 we can cancel, you will get a 1. So 1 into 1 into 1 divided by 1 into 1 into 1 you will get 1 by 1, that is 1. 1 will be the answer. Okay. Do the 8th question as homework. Now second question, simplify. In that first one, 2 by 3 divided by 1 by 5. So this is division of fraction. How to divide two fractions. So this fraction is given in mixed form. First mixed fraction. So first convert that to improper fraction. 2 by 3 divided by, converting this to improper fraction, 5 into 1 5, 5 plus 1 6 by 5. Okay. Now in order to divide two fractions, write the first fraction as it is. 2 by 3 you can write 2 by 3 itself. Then this division sign, change that to multiplication sign. Next fraction, divisor. This is dividend and this is divisor. Take the reciprocal of the second fraction. You know what is reciprocal. Just interchange its numerator and denominator. Okay. So that will be 5 by 6. Reciprocal of 6 by 5, it is 5 by 6. Now you can find the product of 2 by 3 and 5 by 6. Product of numerator 2 into 5 by product of denominator 3 into 6. Okay. This 6 and 2. It will be 3 here and 1 here. 1 into 5, 5 by 3 into 3, 9. 5 by 9 will be the answer. Okay. Second one, 4 1 by 2 divided by 4 by 9. So 4 1 by 2, let us convert this to improper fraction. 2 into 4 8, 8 plus 1 9 by 2 divided by 4 by 9. So dividend or first fraction you can write that itself, 9 by 2. Division sign, change that to multiplication sign. Take the reciprocal of the next fraction or the divisor. That 4 by 9 will be 9 by 4. Now you can find the product. 9 into 9, product of numerator by product of denominator, 2 into 4. 9 into 9, 81 by 2 into 4, 8. This is an improper fraction. Okay, you can divide the numerator by denominator. So 81 divided by 8. 8 into 1, 8. You will get 10 as quotient. Then remainder by divisor, it will be 1 by 8. So 10 1 by 8 will be the answer. Okay. Next third one. 1 divided by 2 by 5. So first fraction you can write that itself. 1. 1 itself you can write. Division sign, change that to multiplication sign. Next take the reciprocal of second fraction or divisor. So reciprocal of 2 by 5, it is 5 by 2. Now you can find the product. 1 means it is 1 by 1. So 1 into 5, product of numerator by product of denominator. 1 into 5, 5 by 1 into 2, 2. Okay, 5 by 2 is an improper fraction. On dividing 5 by 2, you will get 2 quotient. Remainder will be 1 and divisor it is 2. 2 1 by 2. Okay. Fourth one and fifth one you can do as homework. Next sixth one, 2 2 by 3 into 3 1 by 2 divided by 2 4 by 9. So first convert these mixed fractions to improper fraction. Okay. 3 into 2 6, 6 plus 2 8 by 3 into 3 1 by 2. 2 into 3 6, 6 plus 1 7 by 2 divided by 2 4 by 9, it will be 9 into 2 18, 18 plus 4 22 by 9. Now here multiplication is coming, division is coming, you know BODMAS. First you have to do division, then multiplication. So 7 by 2 divided by 22 by 9 you can find first. Okay, 8 by 3 into 7 by 2 divided by 22 by 9. First fraction you can write that itself, that is dividend. Division sign, change that to multiplication sign. Then take the reciprocal of divisor. Here divisor is 22 by 9. Its reciprocal is 9 by 22. So you got 8 by 3 into 7 by 2 into 9 by 22. How to find the product of three fractions? Product of numerator by product of denominator. So 8 into 7 into 9 by 3 into 2 into 22. Okay. So this 3 and 9, it will go in 3. 8 and 2 will go in 2. 8 divided by 2, it is 4. 4 and 22 will go in 2. 2 here and 11 here. Now you can find the product. 2 into 7 into 3. So 21 into 2 you will get 42 by 1 into 11, it is 11. This is an improper fraction. So divide 42 by 11. 11 into 3, 33. You will get a 9 remainder. So on converting this to mixed fraction, you will get 3 quotient. Then remainder by divisor, it will be 9 by 11. So 3 9 by 11 will be the answer. Okay. Next third question. Third question, simplify. In that first one, 1 by 4 of 2 2 by 7 divided by 3 by 5. So I told you of means it is multiplication only. So 1 by 4 into 2 2 by 7. We can convert that to improper fraction. 7 into 2 14, 14 plus 2 16 by 7 divided by 3 by 5. So first doing division. BODMAS. First you have to do division, then multiplication. So 1 by 4 into 16 by 7 division 3 by 5. 16 by 7 you can write that itself. Division sign, change that to multiplication sign. Take the reciprocal of the divisor, that is 3 by 5, it will be 5 by 3 reciprocal. Okay. Now finding the product of these three fractions. Product of numerator 1 into 16 into 5 by product of denominator 4 into 7 into 3. Okay. Now this 16 and 4 will go in 4. 4 you will get here. So 1 into 4 into 5, it is 20 by 7 into 3, 21. 20 by 21 will be the answer. Okay. Now in that second one, 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 3. So first converting this to improper fraction. 4 into 1 4, 4 plus 1 5 by 4 into 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 3. It will be 3 into 1 3, 3 plus 1 4 by 3. Okay. So here also first doing division. 5 by 4 into 1 by 2, you can write that itself. Division sign, change that to multiplication sign. Take the reciprocal of the divisor. 4 by 3 will be 3 by 4. So product of numerator by product of denominator, multiplication of fraction. 5 into 1 into 3 by 4 into 2 into 4. On multiplying, what you will get? 5 into 1 into 3, it is 15 by 4 into 2, 8 into 4, 32. 15 by 32 will be the answer. Third one, 6 1 by 7 into 0 into 5, 3 by 8. So here the answer, you can directly write the answer because one number is 0. Any number into 0, you will get 0 as answer. Okay. Any number into 0, it is 0. So here the answer will be 0. Fourth one, 3 by 4 into 1 by 3 divided by 3 by 7 of 2 5 by 8. So here multiplication is coming, division is coming, of is coming. Okay, actually in BODMAS, B it is for bracket, O it stands for of. Okay, D division, M multiplication, A addition, and S subtraction. So in this order you have to solve. First you have to solve bracket, then of, then division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So here multiplication, division, of is coming. So first you have to solve this. First you have to find 3 by 7 of 2 5 by 8. Okay. 3 by 4 into 1 by 3. You can convert that to improper fraction. 3 into 1 3. 3 plus 1 4 by 3 divided by 3 by 7 of. Of means it is multiplication only. Okay. 2 5 by 8 on converting to improper fraction, what you will get? 8 into 2, 16 plus 1, 20, 16 plus 5, 21 by 8. Okay. First we have to find this. Okay. So 3 by 4 into 4 by 3 divided by 3 by 7 into 21 by 8. This 7 and 21. It is 3 here. Okay, and 1 here. 3 into 3, 9 by 1 into 8, 8 you will get. 9 by 8. On solving 3 by 7 into 21 by 8, the answer will be 9 by 8. Now multiplication and division is coming. So first you have to do division, then only multiplication. 3 by 4 into 4 by 3 divided by 9 by 8. 4 by 3 you can write that itself. Division sign, change that to multiplication sign. 9 by 8. Take it reciprocal. Okay, divisor. Reciprocal of divisor you should take. So 9 by 8 is the divisor. Its reciprocal is 8 by 9. Now you can find the product of these three fractions. Product of numerator, that is 3 into 4 into 8 by product of denominator, 4 into 3 into 9. 4 4 it is 1. 3 3 it is 1. So the answer will be 1 into 1 into 8, 8 by 9. In that fifth one you can do as homework. Next sixth one, 3 by 7 divided by 1 by 2 of 1 by 7. So here in the question bracket is given and of is coming. Inside bracket it is division. So we have to follow BODMAS. If bracket is there means first you have to solve that. Then of, then division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So bracket you have to solve first. 3 by 7 divided by 1 by 2 first you need to find. So 3 by 7, division sign, change that to multiplication sign. 1 by 2, its reciprocal is 2 by 1. Of 1 by 7 on converting to improper fraction. 7 into 1 7, 7 plus 1 8 by 7. Now 3 by 7 into 2 by 1. You can multiply. 3 into 2 6 by 7 into 1 7. 6 by 7 off. Off means it is multiplication only. Of 8 by 7. So 6 by 7 into 8 by 7. Okay. Finding the product, what you will get? 6 into 8 by 7 into 7. 6 into 8 48 by 7 into 7 49. So this will be the answer. 8th question, 1 7 by 8 divided by 1 1 by 2 in bracket of 8 1 by 3 divided by 1 1 by 2. So here two brackets are there. You have to solve that two brackets first. Okay. You have to find 1 7 by 8 divided by 1 1 by 2, the answer. Then 8 1 by 3 divided by 1 1 by 2, answer. If bracket is there means you have to solve the bracket first as per BODMAS. So 1 7 by 8 on converting to improper fraction, it will be 8 into 1 8, 8 plus 7, 15 by 8 divided by 1 1 by 2, it is 2 into 1 2, 2 plus 1 3 by 2 of 8 1 by 3. On converting to improper fraction, it is 3 into 8 24, 24 plus 1 25 by 3 divided by 1 1 by 2, it will be 2 into 1 2, 2 plus 1 3 by 2. Now here finding this division, 15 by 8, you can write that itself. Division sign, it will be multiplication sign. Take the reciprocal of 3 by 2, that will be 2 by 3. Okay. Of next 25 by 3 divided by 3 by 2. On solving this, what you will get? 25 by 3, you can write that itself. Division sign, change that to multiplication sign. 3 by 2, its reciprocal is 2 by 3. Now finding the product. 15 by 8 into 2 by 3. So 15 into 2 by 8 into 3 of, here also product of numerator by product of denominator, 25 into 2 by 3 into 3. Okay. Now here 3 and 15 you can divide, it will be 5, and 8 and 2 will go in 2. Here 1, here 4. So you will get 5 into 1, 5 by 4 of, and 25 into 2, 50 by 3 into 3, 9. 5 by 4 of 50 by 9 you have to find. Of means it is multiplication. 5 by 4 into 50 by 9. So product of numerator by product of denominator. This 4 and 50 will go in 2. 25 here and 2 here. Now 25 into 5, 125 by 2 into 9, 18. So 125 by 18 is an improper fraction. You can divide. Okay. On dividing, you will get 6 as quotient. Remainder is 17 by divisor is 18. So 6 17 by 18 will be the answer. In that 8th one you can do as homework. Next 4th question, simplify. In that first one, 5 minus in bracket 8 by 11 minus 3, 3 by 11. So here bracket is there. You have to solve the bracket first. 5 minus 8 by 11 minus this 3 by 11 on converting to improper fraction. 11 into 3, 33, 33 plus 3, 36 by 11. So solving first this bracket, 8 by 11 minus 36 by 11. Denominators are same, so you can subtract the numerator. Okay, 8 minus 36. It will be 8 plus minus 36. So on subtracting 36 minus 8, it is 28. Greater number is 36, its sign is negative, so minus 28 you will get. So here on solving this 8 by 11 minus 36 by 11, it will be minus 28 by 11. Okay, 5 minus 28 by 11 it is. Now we know negative into negative, or negative of negative, it is positive. So you can write it as 5 negative negative, it is positive 28 by 11. You have to add these two fractions, 5 plus 28 by 11. So 5 means it is 5 by 1. You have to take LCM, it is addition. You have to make the denominator same, then only you can add. So for that we can take LCM of denominator. LCM will be 11. LCM of 1 and 11, it is 11. Now make the denominator equal to this LCM. 1 into 11, it is 11. So 5 into 11. No need to change this 28 by 11 because LCM and denominator is the same. That's why. So 5 into 11, 55 by 11, 1 into 11, 11 plus 28 by 11. Now the denominators are same, so you can add the numerator. 55 plus 28 divided by 11. Okay. Now what is 55 plus 28? It is 83. So 83 by 11. This is an improper fraction. You can convert this to mixed form. Okay, 83 on dividing by 11. What you will get? It is 7. Quotient 7. Remainder by divisor. It is remainder is 6 by divisor is 11. 6, 7, 6 by 11. This will be the answer. In that second one, 1 by 2 divided by, in bracket, 7 by 8 minus 3 by 5. So here bracket is given, you have to solve that first. 7 by 8 minus 3 by 5. First find this difference. So here denominators are not same. In order to do subtraction or addition, denominator should be same. But here it is different, so we have to make the denominator same. How can we make the denominator same? By taking the LCM of denominator. LCM of 8 and 5, it is 40. So 8 into 5, 40. 7 into 5 it will be. 5 into 8, 40. So 3 you have to multiply by 8. Okay. What you will get? 1 by 2 divided by 7 into 5, 35 by 8 into 5, 40 minus 3 into 8, 24 by 5 into 8, 40. Now you can subtract this. 1 by 2 divided by 35 minus 24. 35 minus 24, you will get 11 by denominator is 40. If the denominators are same, means you can subtract the numerators, and denominator you can write the same. Okay, subtraction of fraction we already studied that. 35 by 40 minus 24 by 40, it is 11 by 40. Now 1 by 2 divided by 11 by 40. You can find the answer. So 1 by 2 you can write that itself. Division sign, change that to multiplication sign. Take the reciprocal of divisor. That is reciprocal of 11 by 40, it is 40 by 11. So finding the product. Product of numerator 1 into 40 by product of denominator 2 into 11. So 2 and 40 will go in 2. It is 20 here and 1 here. 1 into 20, 20 by 1 into 11, 11. Okay, this is an improper fraction. You can convert this to mixed fraction. Improper fraction, if your answer is in improper fraction, means you can convert that to mixed fraction. So 20 on dividing by 11, you will get 1 as quotient, 9 by 11. Remainder by divisor, it is 9 by 11. So this will be the answer. Third and fourth you can do as homework. Next, fifth one. 4 by 7 divided by, in bracket, 1 by 3 into 2, 4 by 5. So here bracket is given, you have to solve the bracket first. 4 by 7 divided by 1 by 3 into 2, 4 by 5 on converting to improper fraction, what you will get? 5 into 2, 10, 10 plus 4, 14 by 5. Finding this product first, what you will get? 4 by 7 divided by implies 4 by 7 divided by 1 into 14, product of numerator. 1 into 14 is 14 by 3 into 5, it is 15. Solving this bracket, you will get 14 by 15. Now you can divide this. 4 by 7 divided by 14 by 15. That is 4 by 7, you can write that itself. Division sign, change that to multiplication sign. 14 by 15, you have to take its reciprocal. It will be 15 by 14. Now you can find the product. 4 into 15, product of numerator by product of denominator. 7 into 14. Okay, this 4 and 14, it will go in 2. Here 2 and here you will get 7. Now finding the product. 2 into 15, it is 30 by 7 into 7, it is 49. So 30 by 49, this is proper fraction. Numerator is less than denominator. Okay, so you can write this answer itself, 30 by 49. In that sixth one, 3 by 4 divided by, in bracket, 1 by 6 divided by 1 by 2. So here also bracket is given, you have to solve this bracket first. Okay, 3 by 4 divided by, solving this bracket, 1 by 6, you can write that itself. Division sign, change that to multiplication sign. You have to divide 1 by 6 and 1 by 2. Okay, division, how we will do? First fraction, you can write that itself. Division sign, change that to multiplication sign. 1 by 2, take its reciprocal, it will be 2 by 1. Okay, that is 3 by 4 divided by, now finding the product, 1 into 2, 2 by 6, and this 2 and 6 you can reduce, both will go in 2. So 1 into 1, 1 by 3 into 1, 3. So on solving bracket, you will get 1 by 3. 1 by 6 divided by 1 by 2, it is 1 by 3. Now you can divide. 3 by 4 divided by 1 by 3. So 3 by 4, you can write that itself. Division sign, change that to multiplication sign. 1 by 3, take its reciprocal, it will be 3 by 1. Now finding the product, what you will get? 3 into 3, 9 by 4 into 1, 4. 9 by 4 is an improper fraction. You can divide 9 by 4. 4 into 2, 8, remainder will be 1. So on converting to mixed fraction, first write the quotient, then the remainder by divisor, 1 by 4. 2 1 by 4 will be the answer. Okay, in that seventh one, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6 in bracket of 2 by 3 minus 5 by 12 in second bracket into 5 by 8 minus 7 by 12 in third bracket. So here 3 brackets are there. 3 brackets you have to solve first. Okay, first bracket, on solving what you will get? 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. Subtraction it is. So denominators are different. You have to make the denominator same. So LCM of 4 and 6, it is 12. Make the denominator equal to 12. That is LCM. 4 into 3, 12. So 1 into 3. 6 into 2, 12. So 1 into 2. Now writing 1 into 3, 3 by 4 into 3, 12 minus 1 into 2, 2 by 6 into 2, 12. Okay, of next bracket, 2 by 3 minus 5 by 12. Denominator, here also subtraction you have to do. Denominators are different. So LCM of 3 and 12, it is 12. Okay, make the denominator equal to LCM. So 3 into 4, 12, 2 into 4. Okay, here LCM and denominator is the same, so no need to change this fraction. 2 into 4, 8 by 3 into 4, 12 minus 5 by 12. Next into, next last bracket. LCM of 8 and 12. Here also subtraction you have to do. Denominators are different. So you have to take LCM and make the denominator same. LCM of 8 and 12. It is 24. Okay. So 8 into 3. 24. 5 you have to multiply by 3. 12 into 2. 24. So 7 you have to multiply by 2. Okay. So 5 into 3, 15 by 8 into 3, 24 minus 7 into 2, 14 by 12 into 2, 24. This is third bracket. Now you can solve the bracket. Denominators are same. So you can subtract the numerator. 3 minus 2, it is 1 by, denominator is 12. Okay, 1 by 12 of 8 minus 5, it is 3 by, denominator is 12, into 15 minus 14, it is 1 by, denominator is 24. Okay, if the denominators are same, then you can subtract the numerator. Now off and multiplication is coming. As per BODMAS, you have to solve off first. Off you have to do first. Okay, off means it is multiplication. 1 by 12 into 3 by 12 into 1 by 24. How can you solve this? Product of numerator by product of denominator. All are multiplication, so you can do that. 1 into 3 into 1 by 12 into 12 into 24. So this 3 and 12, you can reduce 1 here and 4 here. So 1 into 1 into 1, 1 by 12 into 4 into 24. It is 1152. So the final answer will be 1 by 1152.